guys, it's me again, and I just wanted to show a product that I don't know if you guys are familiar with. Some of you have been to my classes and workshops, so you've seen me use this. And in case you're interested in the markers, Stampin' Up has the markers that are, I guess, the competitor of the Copic markers. And just like Copic markers, they are a little pricey. I believe it's like $4.50 for two. But I wanted to show you an alternative if you didn't want to invest. Here they are. If you didn't, the Stampin' Blends are on page 204. And these are in 205. These are all the colors they offer in the combo pack, or you can get the singles. If you didn't want to invest in all of those, they do have this alternative, which are the blender pins. Comes 3 in a pack. And they are, oh shoot, sorry. They are a clear marker, double-sided. And pretty much what you can do is any ink pad you have, you can make it into a marker. So let me show you real quick. I'm just going to do this Santa, ink them up, stamp them, and I'm using the, oh, that's a good impression. I'm using the Stampin' Pad because when you use these clear stamps, these photopolymer stamps, if you have cushion underneath, it's going to give you a better impression. So that's a little tip for you. And this is also in the catalog. And some of you who haven't been to my classes, I don't know if you're familiar with this. This is the Simply Chamois. And it's pretty much just a chamois, a thick chamois. It's purple. I tried to clean it with soap and it started bleaching it out. You don't need to. All you do is run it under water and wring it out, and then you just use it to clean your stamps. And you don't have to use any stamp cleaner. It only uses water. It doesn't come in a case. When you get it, it'll come in a plastic bag. But if you order stamps that come in a double set, I just take both stamp sets out and combine them into the one case, so I have an extra case. But we also sell these empty cases if you want to use it to hold your stamp in chamois. But after you clean it, and the stamp is clean already. Of course, they get stained, you know, with all the use. So, I wanted to show you, do another, I'm going to do this stamp here too so I can show you the other color I'm going to use. And I'm just going to ink this one up. This stamp set is so cute. Can't get enough of it. So I'll just stamp this down here. And then I just press it in the middle. That's it. Then I use my chamois. You can tell this thing is well loved. I use it all the time. And you just uses water, and it gets in all those little creases. Yep. It's clean. No stamp cleaner. This is a great new item that they came out with this year for cleaning the stamps. So let me put this one back here before I lose it. And again, this is the Signs of Santa stamp. So let me zoom in to show. So say I want to color the Santa suit, and this is the newer ink pads. The traditional ones that they are trying to get rid of now are the ones that you push back and then you lift up the lid and push it like this. These are the ones that have been around forever. These are the newer ones. They have this little lip here, And the way I explain it is you just pop it open like a compact. Just put my thumb underneath and pop it open. Slide it like that. Okay. So what you do is you can, when you have it closed, you can push the lid like this, squeeze it together so that ink gets here. And you can pick up ink from that side, or you can just dip it in the stamp pad like this. And now you have a red marker. And then just gonna color in. If you want more ink, dip it in and get some more ink. Now this is regular plain old paper I just found right here. This isn't watercolor paper. So like when you use these markers or watercolor pencils, the watercolor, you want to use like a watercolor paper because it's going to absorb the water and the ink and everything better. But this works pretty good if you don't want to invest in all the markers. Depending on what ink pads you have, you can have a marker in multiple colors. Then, you see how this tip is red? Let me close this up before I get ink everywhere. So when you want to clean this off, all you have to do is run it around on another piece of paper and it pulls the ink off. You see? And now I can use it for the brown, the crumb cake color, for the sign. And I can color my sign here with the brown. So, I mean, this thing is pretty cool. And then if I want to clean it off, I just run it around like this. And then I can use it on another marker. It's pretty cool. So like I said, if you're not interested in investing in all the markers, this is a good option. You get 3. I've had them for a while, so I'm not sure exactly how long they last. But I've been using them and playing around with them, and I really like them. So I just thought I would show you guys the blender pens. You can use them with the colored pencils as well. And if you're using colored pencils, we also have these aqua painters. And this is just basically holds water here. They're refillable, of course. You can take the thing off and add water to them. You just unscrew this here. Add your water. And these come 2 in a pack. One has like a big brush. You can see it. And then one has a smaller brush. And you can use these with the water. It's like a paintbrush. You can use it with your colored pencils as well. So just some different options here if you're interested in doing some coloring. And I've seen people also grab ink if you squeeze it like this onto the lid. Let's see. And then you grab the ink with the aqua painter to put it down. It's another option for you. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Bye.